Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Costco at the tool section. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. Let's go ahead and get started. We got the Champion right there for $6.99, and then we got the Yamaha for $5.49. This is a little quiet inverter. That's the Power Stroke for $3.49. And that's like the floor washer with the power washer. $2.49 for that one. I was looking at this table. It's the same that I have. It includes 2 clamps. Not a bad deal because it includes those 2 clamps. And I was also looking at this. This is nice. It's a little stool with a little drawer on the bottom. It rolls pretty nice. I gotta get me something like this, either from here or from another store or something similar. But yeah, it looks pretty good. You got the green box from Harbor Freight or from somewhere else. You can match it right there. And that's the Porter Cable 20-volt tool set. It's the 5-tool combo reciprocating saw, impact. It's the multi-tool for $39.99. That's some sort of cleaner for the. Those are extension cords. The 2-pack, 50 feet for $39.99. So basically $20 per extension cord. It's 12 gauge, so it should be okay. It's 1500 lumen for that one. And that's a 3-pack for $20. Not too bad, 500 lumen. And they got the mobile one, $38.69. $38.69 for that one too. Alright, let's look at the other side. Yeah, these Costco's don't have a lot of tools. I mean, this video is not going to be like 5 or 6 minutes long because they don't have a lot of tools. I like those ties, it's nice. For $20. Not too bad. I guess those are like the easy on. And a floor jack right there, a 3-ton floor jack for $109. Professional steel floor jack. You got the dash cam right there for $99, just under 100. Then you got the rear view camera. You can put it to the license plate for $99, just under 100 too. And those are like the Weathertech cargo floor mats. I guess you can cut them to size your SUV, I guess, and car for $29. And those are the regular floor mats for the front and back for $29. They're all Weathertech, so. Weathertech is a decent brand. And those are the seat covers, or the lumbar support. That's the car cover right there. I was looking for a different size, but I guess they only have one size. And that's for the windshield. Keep the heat out. Tire shine, some car wash brushes, I was looking at that brush set. It's a nice brush set for a car wash. For 22, it includes all those brushes there. Car wash for $13.99. McGuire's. Shop towels, $15.99. Scott's, I guess, pack of 10. Is that 10? Some white towels and some microfiber towels. And I was just looking at these lights. They're 2 tubes per box, and they're $9 a piece. So I'm gonna be putting some old lamps I have, and I'm gonna replace the bulbs with those. And those wiper blades were $6, so $5.99. Actually, like half the price of what they regularly cost. I was actually surprised how cheap these are. So I got for my 2 vehicles there, my Ranger and the Kia Optima, the older vehicles. Like I said, it's not a bad deal for like $6. And I was looking at this jump starter too for $59. Not a bad deal. It's the one same price as the Harbor Freight one. I already have the Harbor Freight one. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.